Hello boys and girls, today we're going to talk about the letter X again and we're going to learn how to write the letter X. We're going to start with a little review on starfall. So I'm going to find the letter X here.
X.
Let's click on that uppercase X and make the X sound together. Good job. What about the lowercase x? Ooh, what do you think this X picture is? This has the X at the end of the word. This has an X at the end of the word too. What is this word? Ox.
Box. Box. In the box. Peekaboo.
Ooh, what number word is this?
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, we're going to talk about X again for a minute and then we're going to learn how to write it. What letter is this? X. And X says X. X says X. We talked about yesterday how X is kind of a tricky letter. There's not very many words that start with X. Sometimes it makes a Z sound. It's just kind of a funny letter. There are some more words that have X at the end, like we just saw on Starfall, like ox and six and box and fox, but just not very many things that start with the letter X. X is kind of a fun letter to write, so we're going to practice that right now. You need to get out your writing worksheet and get your name on the top. Oop, I wrote my first name. You all are going to use your pencil for this page. All right. I want you to watch me do the uppercase X up here at the top. For uppercase X, we go big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom. Pick your pencil up and do that with me. Big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom. Lowercase x is the exact same, it just stays under the middle line. So for lowercase x, we're going to slant down, across. Pick your pencil up and do that with me. Slant down, across for lowercase x. All right, we're going to come down and trace and write each of these letters. Now, as always on this writing page, if you need to hit pause and catch up, you can do that and then hit play when you're ready to keep going. We're going to start with these uppercase X's and we're going to trace them. We're going to do big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom. Big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom. Big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom. You're starting at the top and slanting down, coming back to the top and crossing back down to the bottom. Then we're going to come down and we're going to make a row of uppercase X's on our own. We're going to do a big slant to the bottom, back to the top, across, big slant to the bottom. Make sure your lines are going all the way from the top to the bottom line. All right. Next we're going to come down and do some lowercase x's. They're the exact same, they just stay under the dotted line. So you're going to slant down, across, slant down, across, slant down, across, slant down, across. Fill that whole row of lowercase x's. Make sure you're staying under that dotted line. And then we're going to come down and make some on our own. We're going to slant down, across, slant down, across, slant down, across. And then on the bottom row, we're going to do a pattern. We're going to do upper and lowercase x, and then we're going to write some on our own. So we're going to do a big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom. Then we're going to go slant down, across. Big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom, down, across. Uppercase and then lowercase. All right, on the bottom, we're going to do a big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom, slant down, across, big slant to the bottom, cross with a big slant to the bottom, slant down, across. Make a pattern, uppercase and then lowercase. All right, you can finish up any of those rows you need to finish up. And then you can go to the top and color the xylophone. There's one of those tricky words. It starts with an X, but it sounds like a Z sound. And we will talk actually about the letter Z tomorrow. I'll talk to you then.